Hey there, future authors and seasoned scribes. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that AI has been all the buzz. It's been influenced in various fields, and now it's making a splash in the publishing world. If you've been wondering how it might affect you as an author, well, you're going to want to hear this. Amazon has updated its policies, and it's kind of a big deal. Stick around, as in this video, I'm going to go over how AI generated content is defined and what are the consequences for you as an author. And trust me, this is information you won't want to miss. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what the heck is AI generated or even AI assisted content, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break it down. Amazon defines it as content such as text, images, or translations created by an artificial intelligence-based tool. So AI generated content is essentially the kind of content that is, well, generated almost entirely by artificial intelligence. Picture someone just adding a prompt to something like ChatGPT, and they type in something like, write me a sci-fi story about a young woman up against evil technology following the typical hero's journey. Boom. It spits out a story that is AI generated content. On the other hand, AI assisted content means you, a human, I assume, created the content but used AI tools to polish, refine, or even just brainstorm ideas. Basically, it's you in the driver's seat with AI as like sort of your sidekick. Another way to think of it is it's kind of like having a close friend sitting next to you, looking over your shoulder, looking over your work, and brainstorming ideas with. Going back to our other example, instead of asking ChatGPT to write out the whole story for you, you ask it to help you outline the book, come up with character traits, names, and so on. But it's still you writing the book. In my experience, if authors do use AI, this is how they most commonly use it. Another example of this is Grammarly. Like many other websites, they've implemented some AI assisted tools to make their editing better. So now when we upload our books to Amazon KDP, they're asking us authors to distinguish between AI generated, so completely AI generated content, and nothing. You got to tick one of those boxes ranging from none of it is AI generated versus AI assisted, but none of it is AI generated to the whole shebang is a masterpiece by AI. So what if it's AI assisted versus AI generated? Would you select yes to this? No, as that's not the proper definition of it, and it's still your work. But why are they doing this? Why is Amazon asking us if it's AI generated? Well, AI generated content has become almost impossible to detect. Just recently, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, stated that even AI writing detectors don't work. In other words, AI can't even detect other AI. And before we dive into Amazon's potential plans with this information, I have an essential resource to share with you. Our exclusive pre-publishing and marketing checklist is absolutely free. This checklist is crafted to guide you in unleashing the full potential of your book on Amazon, whether that be AI generated, AI assisted, or completely from your own brain. You can grab that in the link in the description below. Now, what's really shaking people in the publishing community is that no one knows what Amazon's plan is to do with this information that they're gathering. They said themselves, we are actively monitoring the rapid evolution of generative AI and its impact on reading, writing, and publishing. But they haven't revealed their hand on their master plan yet. Are they planning to create an exclusive club for AI generated bestsellers? Or maybe they're forming some sort of elite robot author task force? Who knows? But jokes aside, it seems like Amazon is keeping its cards close to its chest. The promise to keep the interests of authors, publishers, and readers a priority. What I personally think Amazon's going to do with this is this. Amazon will publicly identify and make it clear which books are AI generated and which ones are not. This, in my opinion, will allow the potential reader to decide for him or herself if they want to pay and read the book. The big challenge with this, though, is Amazon trusting people to correctly identify if it's AI generated or not. I'm sure in the future, when or if AI detectors get better, Amazon will start banning accounts that don't correctly mark their work as such. For now, we'll just have to wait and see. All in all, whether you welcome our new robot overlords or not, it's essential to stay informed. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates because this is a space that's changing faster and faster by the week. Remember to hit like for this video if you found it useful. That's the best way to let me know to keep making more content like this. And I'm curious to know, comment down below, what are your thoughts on AI's role in publishing? And where do you think it's going to be in 5, 10, or even 10 years? Until next time, keep crafting those tales. Happy writing.